Hello kids, I am Miss Nutei. Today we will be learning the A sound of A. An. A, N, An. An. Now look and listen and say the word. This is a van. Van. Let's spell the word. V-A-N. Van. Van. This is a pan. Pan. Let's spell the word. P-A-N. Pan. Pan. This is a fan. Fan. Let's spell the word. F-A-N. Fan. Fan. This is a man. Man. Let's spell the word. M-A-N. Man. Man. Now let us repeat the A sound of A. An. An. Let's look at the picture and say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Van. Van. Pan. Pan. Fan. Fan. Man. Man. These are the A sound of A. An. An. Van. Pan. Fan. Man. Good job, kids!